Welcome students, this is 12th practical of applied science chemistry, course code is 22202. Title of the experiment is calcium content of cement sample. Cement, it is used as basic binding material. It is very important building material. It contains especially lime, silica, alumina, then iron oxide, magnesia, sulfur trioxide, soda and potash. The relevant program outcomes are basic knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, lifelong learning. Then course outcome is select relevant metallurgical process and properties related to industrial application of iron and copper. Practical outcome is determine the percentage of calcium in given cement sample. Minimum theoretical background, let us see. Cement, it is a mixture of calcium silicate and aluminate which has property of setting and hardening in presence of water. Cement is chemically analyzed in terms of percentage of oxides of calcium, silicon, aluminium, iron and magnesium. Determination of calcium content in cement, it is based on the fact that when indicator, that is Erychrome black tea, is added to cement solution in alkaline medium, it forms wine red color with unstable product of calcium and magnesium ions. See practical setup. In burette, 0.01 molar EDTA solution is taken, and in conical flask cement sample is taken. Resources required are burette, then conical flask, beaker, pipette, volumetric flask, watch glass, wire gauze, burner, glass rod, filter paper, test tube, weighing balance, EDTA, that is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, disodium salt, concentrated HCl, then concentrated HNO3, ammonium chloride 1 by 1 ammonia solution, Erychrome black tea indicator and distilled water. Procedure for part first is, first weight 1 gram of cement, then add concentrate HCl 10 ml to that cement, then heat the content. After heating, cool the content, then dilute that content up to 250 ml. Then pipette out this 50 ml solution in beaker, then add 1 ml of concentrate nitric acid and add 1 gram of NH4Cl and one test tube of 1:1 ammonia with constant stirring. Aluminium and iron will precipitate in the form of their hydroxide. Collect the filtrate in 250 ml volumetric flask, then dilute it up to 250 ml. Part second is estimation of calcium volumetrically. Pipette out 25 ml of solution from part first, then add 5 ml of buffer solution. pH of that buffer solution is 10, then add 5 drop of EBT, that is Erychrome black tea indicator. Fill the burette with 0.01 molar of EDTA solution. Titrate the solution against EDTA till wine red color changes to sky blue. This is the end point of titration. Note down reading, then write constant burette reading. In resources use, you have to write down any 4 resources which are given in above table. In actual procedure followed, write important points, especially part second, observation and calculation. Constant burette reading is 35 ml. Then see calculation. 1000 ml of 1 molar EDTA is equal to 40 gram of calcium. Therefore, 1 ml of 0.01 molar EDTA is equal to 40 into 0.01 into x upon 1000. X is 35. Therefore, x ml of 0.01 molar EDTA is equal to 0.014 gram of calcium per 25 ml of solution. This is for 25 ml. Therefore, for 250 ml solution, it is 0.14. This is Z. Then 50 ml stock solution contain this Z, that is 0.14. Therefore, 250 ml solution contain Z into 250 upon 50. It is equal to 0.7 gram of calcium. Step 3, that is percentage of calcium in cement is 100 gram of cement contain W into 100 upon 1. This W is 0.7 into 100 upon 1, that is 70% of calcium. Result is percentage of calcium content in cement is 70%. The percentage of calcium content, interpretation of result is same. Conclusion, calcium content should be 62 to 67%. Theoretical, this is theoretical value. Then practical related questions are: name the acid used for dissolution of cement sample. Concentrate HCl is used for dissolution of cement. Then disodium EDTA is used for titration. Why it is used? Justify. When disodium salt of EDTA is added, Ca plus 2 and Mg plus 2 ions form stable complex with EDTA. Therefore, disodium EDTA is used. Then state the components which are insoluble in concentrate HCl. Aluminum and iron, these are the salts which are insoluble in concentrate HCl. State the concentration, that is molarity of EDTA solution. Molarity of EDTA solution is 0.01. This is the experiment number 12. Thank you.